komiti ariyo mag Senate mauchung'ne arita kwe kod mano mar od bura mamalo mauchung'ne telo kod weche mapacho ka koyango chia kod lony mare e tayo bad migawo mar obila mathurka. Koro mogoda ni wadhi achiel kachiel mondo winjane kaka chenro no dhi nyime nyim komiti ariyo mag od bura mar Senate kod mano mar od bura mamalo gi kindeni.
In terms of the resources we have as a country, what I would propose, Chair, to this committee is a shorter measure. We enhance the house allowance. Let's enhance the housing allowance based on where the police station is located. Because I can imagine Mudangari police station is in Lavington. What the officers are being paid now is so little that you find an officer policing Mudangari, Lavington. You live in Babandogo, then commute. At times he's expected to be on duty in the night. So again, we end up losing officers because they are armed, they are targets. So that is a short-term measure. Enhance the house allowance. Long term is construction. Again, I will engage. I seek the dangers of the chair, so that the housing money which went to the Minister of Housing can be brought back to National Police Service. We used to get every year 2 billion for construction, and that's why we're able to do nice houses in Oyugis, in Koome.
Ramogi mag kaka weche chalo e od bura kama komiti machielo wuok e od bura mar Senate kama chielo bende wuok e od bura mamalo dhi nyime ka gi Piedho pone